What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys are having a wonderful trading week. And I pray that you had it great and you did all that you were supposed to do just so you can level yourself up and just so you can stay professional like you're destined to be. This is your boy Halima Repeat, and we're back with another video. Today's video is going to be our weekly trading outlook for the coming week of June. I think from the 10th up until the 14th. I'm just not sure because I don't have my calendar with me at the moment. But before we get any further with the video, make sure you smash the like button, you subscribe to the channel, you share the video, you comment on the video, you click the link to sign up with the broker that I use. Or if you're looking for a legitimate Forex trading course, you know what TOT Academy has came up with. Or if you still are interested, people in watching my daily live blogs, you can still check them out. I left the links right there. And guys, always remember that we dropped a video yesterday about psychology, right? How to maintain a losing streak, or how do you survive a losing streak. Yesterday we had part one. The coming week we're going to have part two and part three until we have it till part five, right? And then we share a different topic, but still psychology. We focus on psychology because we've been talking strategy, we've been talking technicals, we've been talking fundamentals, and we've been talking price action. Now it's about the time that we put the psychology to work. But without further ado, guys, let me share this wonderful gems with you guys for the coming week, and let me be out the way and let you guys be on the way, right? So first pay gonna be the nest, guys. So when you look at the nest, you can clearly see that our structure was still in an uptrend, right? Prices created this high. Prices created this highs, right there. You can clearly see them, right? And price created this low, right? So from this highs and this low, the prices printed out. Price came back and violated our zone, right? Or our highs, right? As I say, breaking above our highs. Price is now in a sideways movement, simply because you can tell that from this push phase, price is now in a correction or an exhaustion phase. So me as a trader having to wait for confirmation, there's mainly two things that I need to focus on. Are we going to stay above the zone to simply move to the upside, right? Break above our highs, creating, sorry, break above our highs, creating that new intraday support, then price still staying above highs to move to the upside. Or if we can get the break below this very same zone, then it clearly means that from all the highs that price is printed out, price is still holding this highs, and you might be looking forward for price to come back to our possible lows and see what might happen from there. So my trade idea is very simple. I'm waiting for confirmation, but I want to see that is price going to stay above the zone to continue up, or we're going to have a violation below to move to the downside. That's all we're going to be waiting for the coming week. Without further ado, we slide to the second page, which is gold. So gold might be possibly tradable for the coming week, because you can tell that, okay, price once created the support, price once created the zone, and price led into creating this all-time high, right? Coming back again to the very same zone, multiple reactions, and then price pushed, creating again an all-time high. So coming back again to our very same zone right there to end the week, what are we going to find? That's why I simply said on my trade idea, we're simply going to be bullish long as price is staying above this very same zone, right? But if we can get a violation, then I simply guess would have to be bearish below this zone. Because if you had to clearly look at this, you can tell that price had multiple reactions of this very same zone. You might even call it support or a buy zone, right? And once price every time it came here, price no way, in some way, type of form, we created those all-time highs, right? So coming back again to our raising zone to end the week, what are we going to find for the coming week? Is price going to have a violation to continue down based on this move, right? Based on this move, are we going to continue down? Or based on previous history, every time price came back here, are we going to have some type of reaction and get that move to the upside? That's all I want to talk about. That's all I want to share with you guys. But without further ado, we should like to the dead print, which is USD CAD. So USD CAD, I'm simply confident with it, right? Because you guys know that we have our major zone right there, and price is not trading far from the major zone. So I'm waiting for confirmation to see that are we going to have a reaction to move to the downside, or are we going to have a breakout to simply continue moving to the upside? Because price has been a while since price violated the zone. If I had to clearly zoom it out, Even though price had breakouts, we still broke below, right? Even though price had a breakout, we still broke below. Even right there, we had a breakout and it broke below. So for the coming week, we're waiting for confirmation. What are we going to find? Is price going to come into our zone and have some type of selling reaction? Or are we going to have some type of buy reactions? That's what we're going to be waiting for. What did that further do? Which led to our fourth pay, which is Tesla. Those go up on the Tesla. But the niggas start staying down in the markets. So Tesla, we don't have a trade idea because of the price action that price has been carrying for the past weeks. We're not saying much, we're not doing much, we simply move, right? Last but not least, we're having Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I also might be willing to play the mind game, right? Because you guys know that, okay, this very same rectangle, it's our major all-time high resistance. Every time price came back here, there was no way that price wasn't selling off, right? But every time price was above the zone, there was no way that price was being bullish, right? So for the coming week, I'm waiting for confirmation because price created this high, right? And price came back again to the very same high. Price came back again to the very same high with some reactions. So for the coming week, I'm waiting to see that based on where price is currently trading at, are we going to have a move to the upside? I don't know. Or are we going to get that move to the downside? I still don't know. But my main focal point will be me having to wait for confirmation to see that is price going to react on our major all-time high resistance to be bullish, or is price going to have that violation and be bearish? That's what we're going to be waiting for. That's why we're waiting for confirmation. Do you guys get that? So those will be my trade idea for the coming week. This will be what we'll be anticipating and what we'll be looking for. We're simply playing the waiting game. Us as traders having to wait clearly means we're being more patient, we're being more positive, and most of all, being patiently waiting to execute on our good A-class setups. Do you guys get that? More psychology videos will be dropping soon. Turn on the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, comment on the video, click the link to trade with the broker that I highly recommend. And if you're looking for a legitimate forex trading course, you guys know what CFG Academy has came up with. You just click that link right there on my Instagram account, or hit my line right there on WhatsApp or on my phone, so we can drop things up and talk forex and do everything forex. But without further ado, the support I love, King COT, and we're signing out.